Up to now, we have understood that how mischievous Toto was. If there is a part of the brain especially devoted to mischief, that part was largely developed in Toto. The narrator tells us कि यदि हम लोगों के माइंड में कोई ऐसा पार्ट होता है, इफ देर इज एनी पार्ट इन आवर माइंड दैट इज स्पेशली मेड फॉर mischiefs, that part was largely developed in Toto's mind. The mischievous part of his mind was largely developed in him, in Toto. He was always tearing things to pieces. Okay, all the time he used to tear the things from here and there, everywhere. Whenever he would get something, he would try to tear it out. Whenever one of my aunties came near him, he made every effort to get hold of her dress and tear a hole in it. Okay, कभी भी नैरेटर की आंटी वहाँ पर आती थी और बाय चांस उसके पास आ जाती थी, he would make every effort to catch his dress, to hold his dress and make a hole in it and tear a hole in it. Understand? क्या होता था, कोई भी आंटी आने से उनकी ड्रेस को पकड़ेगा and he would make a hole in it. Because he was mischievous, his brain was dedicated for mischiefs only. The part of his brain was made for mischiefs only. There is one more incident of Toto's mischief we will discuss now. One day, at lunchtime, a large dish of pulao stood in the center of the dining table. It was grandfather's house and it was lunchtime, and a large dish of pulao, okay, plate of pulao stood on the center of the dining table. जो डाइनिंग टेबल होती है उसके सेंटर में पुलाव की एक डिश रखी हुई थी. We entered the room to find Toto stuffing himself with rice. When narrator, grandfather, grandmother went inside, they found that Toto was stuffing himself with rice. Okay, he was taking rice and continuously eating in his mouth. My grandfather screamed and Toto threw a plate at her. When grandmother scolded him, he threw a plate at her. One of my aunties rushed forward. जो नरेटर थे उनकी आंटी दौड़ के आगे जाती हैं and received a glass of water in the face, and he threw a glass full of water at her face. When grandfather arrived, Toto picked up the dish of pulao and made his exit through the window. And you know, grandfather, he was a bit scared of grandfather. When he came inside, he just picked up that dish of pulao, that plate of pulao, and from window he had made his exit. Meant he has gone from the window. We found him in the branches of the jackfruit tree. The dish is still in his arms. The narrator is telling us that he had gone to the branch of the jackfruit tree and he was having that dish still in his arms. Okay, जो डिश थी उसने पकड़ी हुई थी और वहाँ जो जैकफ्रूट ट्री था उसकी एक ब्रांच पर जाकर वो बैठ गया. He remained there all afternoon, eating slowly through the rice, determined on finishing every grain. वहाँ पर वो उसको whole of the afternoon he was eating that pulao and he had decided that he had to finish every grain of that rice. And then, in order to spite grandmother, who had screamed at him, he threw the dish down from the tree. क्योंकि दादी माँ उससे गुस्सा हुई थी, उसको डांटा था, तो उनको चिढ़ाने के लिए, उनको परेशान करने के लिए, he threw the dish down from the tree and chattered with delight when it broke into 100 pieces. It was made of bone china or lead, we can say. So he had thrown it from the branch, and when it was broken into 100 of pieces, he was chattering with delight. Means खुशी से वो आवाज़ें निकाल रहा था. Now we can understand how naughty Toto was. Obviously, Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long. You know, there are many animals we can have as pet, like like dogs, cows, buffaloes. But we cannot keep monkey because monkeys become so mischievous, so naughty, that it is not possible to handle with them every time. They only want to do mischiefs, and mischiefs. Toto was also the same type of monkey. Okay, and that's why he could not be kept in the house for long time. The grandfather could not keep that monkey for long time in his house. Even grandfather realized that, seeing all these mischiefs every time he was seeing all these things, grandfather also realized that I cannot keep that fellow for long time. We were not well to do and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes, cloths, curtain and wallpaper. No one can tolerate every time loss. Okay, sometimes dishes, sometimes clothes, sometimes curtains, and sometimes wallpapers. And Toto, he had to do only this and this. Sometimes he would tear clothes, sometimes he would tear wallpapers, sometimes he would tear curtains, and sometimes he would throw dishes to break them up. And so grandfather also decided that he would not keep Toto with himself, and grandfather found the Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for only 3 rupees. Very hardly grandfather tried to find out that Tonga driver from whom he had taken that monkey in sum of 5 rupees. Somehow he find out that Tonga driver, and he had sold Toto back to him. But he found only 3 rupees for him. He purchased Toto in 5 rupees, but when he gave it back, he was given only sum of 3 rupees, because the other man, the Tonga driver, he was also aware of this fact that Toto is very mischievous. If grandfather is returning him, that is a very big thing, because he specially asked to give that monkey to him. But now he is so disturbed of him, he is so fed up of him, that he is returning this monkey back. And that's why he was not ready to pay 5 rupees for him, because Dadaji has purchased that monkey in 5 rupees, but now he was not ready to give 5 rupees. He gave only 3 rupees for that mischievous monkey. And now grandfather, grandmother, the narrator, and all the members of their family were happy because the mischiefs of Toto were and were over. Thank you.